Thanks for coming back and checking out another one of my videos. I've had a little pick today on the Boy Bilbo 81 challenge lock that Daz ever sent me. Evil Dead it was called. I thought it was close to opening, but no, couldn't get it open. I spent about 15 minutes trying, and I thought I'd have a go on this one with my Daz Evers pick. It's a Medeco, and it was sent to me by Tony S. And it's not one that I've picked before, but I've had plenty of practice. So I'm not going to lie, I've got a lot of time invested in this lock. But for the first 2 months I didn't realise it was a biaxal. So yeah, I don't know. I will keep trying. And if I get in with this pick, this will really be a magic pick.
How was she?
Sad. I haven't really showered.
What did you say?
Just that I was really sorry. I never meant to.
Did she see that you were upset?
I think so. I tried to make her see that it isn't our fault. That we love each other and just want to be together.
She doesn't care about that.
She didn't say anything. And I
And I think they're all set to shear line. It's a case of rotating them now. Aye, yes! I rotated it and got it. Fuck me, 7 minutes. I am well pleased with that. Well pleased. Fuck me. This Daz Evers pick is fucking magic. That is all I can say. Fucking magic. But I knew exactly what I was doing. I knew all those pins were set and I could tell which one actually needed to be. I could tell there was one there that wasn't in the right position. And I used my SS Dev just to tickle that one over, and that was it. What an achievement. I am buzzing my tits off. Seriously. This is the hardest lock I think I've picked so far, and yeah, like I said, I spent a lot of time just picking it to shear line without even realising it had the biaxial pins, ones that you had to rotate. So yeah, fucking unbelievable. Thank you so much, Tony, for sending me this lock, and thanks to Daz Evers for making me the pick. He's brought me that little bit of luck that I needed, but yeah, once I got, mate, I am buzzing my tits off. So let's get it gutted, shall we? I'm going to zoom out. There we go. And just get this back into position. And I'm still getting to grips with this new camera. But yes, what an achievement. This is my best Stock Lock Sunday video ever. Well, I don't know, the multi-lock was pretty good, I must admit, but no, I can't believe it. I actually can't believe it. Active sidebar, biaxial pins, and I've only gone and done it. Oh, actually, I was going to say it's got the grub screws in the top, but no, no, I will do it with the from the back. I'll cut it properly. Let's see. If I got one there that might fit. Yeah, that is actually fitting. So now I don't know. Some of that. And I have actually, I bought some circlip pliers. Not that I can fucking use them. There we are.
Until then, is your man.
Alright, so you can see everything needed to be picked. I'll try and zoom in a little bit. There's the sidebar. Fuck me. I've got two tiny little springs there.
You're expecting something? Didn't even know you changed the dress. Ah, I like waited it for you. This is the sort of thing we do.
I think they're all flat. I'm not sure if there's a little undercut at the top. I couldn't say for sure. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's got a nice little serration at the top. That one's standard. Standard, standard, standard and standard. Let's see what this is saying. Get rid of that shim. There's the spring. I'm not sure if you can see that very well. Try and get the so you can see in there, that's where the sidebar slots in. Yeah, really pleased with that. You don't understand how chuffed I am. Right, let's have a look at those pins. I'm gonna see. I might have a. I'm not sure if this will work as a background. I'm not sure if you can see that slot. I'm going to try and. I will take some pictures at the end, but. It's not. Oh, you son of a bitch. Well, there's serrations, and then. Let's see how we go if I can. So let's just see. I can see the groove there. They've all got that grooving that slots down into the sidebar. I'm not sure if there's any with false gates. It looks like there might be one or two. Looks like there might be a false gate in the top of that one. I couldn't say for sure. What I'll do is I'll have to take some detailed photos of these just so you can really see the pins, because I know the camera is a potato. Well, it is for close up anyway. Yep, Medeco picked. Well chuffed with that.